Welcome, Internet. So, I gotta be honest with you. I've probably been doing this crypto testing thing for way too long at this point, like maybe 6 years or something. And the whole Flash USDT space has just become this absolute minefield. Every time I open YouTube or Google something, it's just fake platforms everywhere. Sponsored posts, paid reviews, influencers pushing garbage they've never even used. It's gone to where I just assume everything's a scam until proven otherwise, you know? Maybe like 85% of what you'll find out there is just people trying to steal money. But look, there are still one or two legitimate services buried under all that trash. Get Flash USDT is basically the only platform I've consistently used without getting burned. Been with them around 15 months now. They don't pull any weird stuff, features stay consistent, and no sudden changes or surprises. So here's how Flash USDT actually works when it's legit. First thing is picking a quantity of tokens. 4 different packages showing, each has pricing and recommended uses. I'll grab this one. Now setting visibility duration, 1 hour to 7 days available. For this demo, going with 24 hours. Next is selecting network and inputting target address. Okay, choosing TRC20 Tron network. Then I'm switching to my wallet, copying my USDT address. Back here, pasting it. Perfect. Last step is clicking Buy Flash. So, payment options are direct send or wallet connection. So the first option is actually better and more straightforward for you guys to understand. So I'm going to choose the coin that's most convenient for me right now and just send the transaction. Selecting this one for payment. And good, 100k USDT tokens generated and sent. Now I'm just waiting for balance confirmation. So while it happens, let me explain why this platform's the only one I actually trust. First major thing, legitimate blockchain verification. Every token you generate is real smart contract deployment on actual public blockchain. You can verify hashes through TronScan independently, not just fake numbers they show you. Here's why I'm paranoid about verification. I've lost money to scams before, multiple times actually. First disaster was maybe 18 years back. Found this service absolutely everywhere online, paying around $570 thinking popularity meant legitimacy. Tokens showed perfect in their system, but checking blockchain independently revealed nothing existed. Contacted support for weeks, got one robot reply, platform vanished 11 months later with everyone's funds. Second mess, paid $750 for permanent unlimited package on this polished, professional-looking platform, worked perfectly for about 6 months, then they suddenly demanded reactivation fees for already purchased service. Refused paying, lost all access, they kept operating. Third time, paid $420 for smaller, honest-seeming service. Tokens technically functioned but caused constant wallet crashes and transaction failures, practically unusable. So when I found Get Flash USDT eventually, I didn't trust anything without verification. Checked blockchain independently first, real contract confirmed, actual network validation happening, tested support with technical questions, got knowledgeable human responses, found independent users sharing verifiable experiences with real hashes, started minimum tier, tested for 28 weeks before scaling up. Also, understand that expensive doesn't automatically mean legitimate. Scammers deliberately charge premium prices to seem more credible while delivering nothing. Always start with minimum investment, verify through multiple independent sources, don't trust good initial experiences without extended testing period. So if you want to check this out, links in the pinned comment and description. And hey, after you try it out, come back and share your honest experience in the comments. Catch you later.